Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the top 5 shampoos I recommend for wig revamp and maintenance. So the first one is the Mamiya organic shampoo. Like, this was the very first shampoo I used for my revamping. When I was learning how to revamp, this was one of the shampoo that was recommended by my tutor, and it was really amazing. The result was really nice. The next one on my list is the Tango Temi shampoo. This shampoo is very nice. I recommend it 100%. And then the next one is the macadamia shampoo. This macadamia has the shampoo and the conditioner. You can go for the both, or you can use just the shampoo. The next one I'll be talking about is the Bella Star shampoo. This one works amazingly well, same as the Mamiya shampoo. And then the last one I'll be talking about is the Tresemme shampoo. It's super affordable, it's nice, and it also has its own conditioner. For some time now, I've been using the Tresemme shampoo, and I must say the result has been very good. The size is big and it's affordable, so it's good to go. Yeah, I recommend it too, and I've been using it. It's been working.